Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a virtually brand new 2018 Zero SR 14.4. This bike only has 244 miles and is offered for $12,999 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This bike normally sells for over $18,000 plus freight and prep and fees, so you're saving around $5,000 to $6,000 off a brand new one. This, again, it only has 200 plus miles, so it's a virtually brand new bike. Still has the nubs on the tires. We performed a safety check on it by our service department, so she's all dialed in and ready to go. This bike also has the charge tank on it, which is right here where a gas tank would be on a regular motorcycle. What that allows you to do is charge the motorcycle at any level 2 charging station. Anywhere you can charge a Tesla or a Nissan Leaf or a Chevy Bolt, you can charge this motorcycle. It also has a regular charge cord that can be stored there in the swing arm, and you see the plug right there where you can plug it into a regular outlet at your house. So there's a couple different ways you can charge this motorcycle. Again, we can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.